बेरेस्तारात दोन ग्रुपांमध्ये झगडी झाल्या उपरांत मडगांवतल्या KTC बस स्टँड वाठारांत तणाव निर्माण जाला आणि प्रवासी आणि थळाव्या लोकांमदीं भिरांत निर्माण जाल्या। मुंगूळ वाठारांत पयलींच्या टोळी संबंधीत घडणुके कडेन संबंधीत आशिल्ल्या व्यक्तीचो ह्या झगड्यांत वांटो आसूं येता अशें प्राथमीक म्हायतींतल्यान दिसून येता। ह्या परिस्थितीक लागून व्यस्त येरादारी केंद्रांत गोंधळ निर्माण जालो आणि तणाव वाडिल्ल्यान थंयचे लोक बेगोबेग थंयच्यान पळून गेले। फातोर्डा पुलीस स्टेशनाच्या पुलिसांनी थंय धांव घेवन परिस्थिती नियंत्रणांत हाडली, जाल्यार हेतून वांटो आशिल्ल्याची वळख करून घेवपा खातीर आनी झगड्याचे कारण सोदून काडपा खातीर चवकशी सुरू आसा। तर चवकशी चालू आसतना जपसालदार दिसपी कोणाचेरूय खर कारवाय करतले अशें आश्वासन अधिकाऱ्यांनी दिलां।
9th of May at around 5:30 HRS in the morning, we got a information. Actually, one person namely Shadaf Mullah, he appeared at our police station and informed that his minor brother, name is withheld, has been assaulted by a group of 5 people at KTC Margao. So upon receipt of information, we went at the spot and then we collected the information. And then we got to know that there were 5 people involved whose names are as follows. First one is Prakash Velma, second one is Shlok Shinde. Prakash is resident of Nesai, Shlok is resident of Naveli, Mahfuz Sayyad is a resident of Naveli again, Sunil Bilwar is a resident of Housing Board Fatorda, and Akshay Talwar is a resident of Bodda. So all these 5 people were involved in assaulting one minor boy in connection with the previous enmity. So all those were hiding inside their hideouts. So we got some quick information, formed multiple teams and nabbed 4 of them. With one accused person is still absconding. 4 of them arrested are Prakash, Shlok, Mahfuz and Sunil. And the hunt is on for Akash Talwar, who is still absconding. And our further investigation is in progress. We have registered the offence under section 191 subsection 2, 115 subsection 2, 118 subsection 1, read with 190 of BNS and section 8 of Goa Children Act 2003 is also added.
Arrested person is involved in any other previous cases?
We are verifying their criminal background. So we'll check whether they are involved in any sort of other cases or others. The investigation in this case is in progress with PSI Satushil Devidas under the guidance of STBO Margao Shri Siddhant Shirudkar and SP South Shri Santosh Desai. We are closely monitoring the case and we will track the 5th absconding accused as soon as possible. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर।